Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GrabFood Voucher code. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to GrabFood application. Once you're in the application, pick on what you like to purchase. So just pick whatever you like. So let's say for example this one from McDonald's. Now start picking items that you want. Once done, tap on the basket at the bottom. Now scroll down, and here you can see the use offers. So tap on that, and here you can type in your code or tap on any voucher that is applicable for your order. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.